Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the Firefighter D's YouTube video. There goes the Mount Vernon football team. Mount Vernon football team. Look, this is what my speed is gonna be, I hope. I'm at 7. I clocked in at 7. Darn, it's not. 8 miles per hour. I think I clocked in at 8. I am so sorry, guys. Hopefully that works. Greetings and good evening from the famous Firefighter D in all of the country, and I think the world. Just whoever watches this video, which is, I probably won't be able to be a big YouTuber yet. But one day, I probably will be. One day. Sorry about going slow up hills. Y'all gotta remember, Firefighter D don't have a car. And Firefighter D don't need a car. Not to where he's going. Anyways, guys, I have a question for you YouTubers, YouTube people, people that watches my videos, fans, however these big YouTubers call you guys. I might call you guys my fire crew, because you guys are part of my videos. You guys like my videos, subscribe to my videos, so you guys are part of my fire crew. So anytime when I start an intro, I'm gonna say, good evening, fire crew. And so that's when the videos will begin. So tonight, it's kind of gonna be just a talk right now. I'm heading home right now. But anyways, tonight is about a topic. Now this one you guys might dislike. This one you might like. So you guys choose. Once you guys choose, I will decide that I will do it or not do it. Okay, it's a new video idea. Don't think you guys ever seen it yet. But I want to know, would you guys like to see a ghost hunting video? Paranormal video. I'll be doing a paranormal investigation up at Hedges Hill. Now there's a cemetery there. I've been told, and it's been claimed, that the cemetery is haunted. So I need to know from your guys' comments if you guys would like to see that video. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. It might be tomorrow night. It might be on Halloween night. I really don't know how I'm gonna do it, but you guys have to let me know. yes, you want to see it, or no, you don't want to see it. And you have to let me know what videos you guys want to see. Now, it can be a challenge video. Any kind of challenge video that you guys want to see, I can try to do. So once I end this video now, or whenever, you guys will have to send a comment down below or wherever it is and let me know what you guys want to see. I'm just waiting for cars, trucks, SUVs. Alright, so I gotta go. This video is about to end. Good night. Firefighter D out.